Turn your WordPress site into a Telegram mini app. With the WPMAT plugin, it's the perfect way to instantly reach millions of users on their smartphones. Sell goods and services on Telegram, collect visitor databases, and send them information directly to their messenger. Connect artificial intelligence via WPMAT webhooks to advise buyers. Next, in less than 10 minutes, I will show you how to duplicate your website on Telegram for your audience of buyers. How much does it cost, and how many sales have you already lost by not working on Telegram? The first thing we need to do is upload the WPMAT plugin directly to the online store's website and activate it using a free license. Let's go to the official developer's website. I will leave the link under this video. We click the price button and it redirects us to a Telegram bot. In the mini app, we press the button one more time. It's cleverly done so they can interact with users and send out information in the future. They have us authorized through the chatbot. After that, the download links are revealed. We land on the license selection page. WPMAT has 3 types of licenses. A paid license with lifetime updates for one domain costs €107. A free 5-day license with full functionality. A license with a 50% discount when purchasing for 4 domains at once. Watch this video carefully, as I will share a promo code for a 20% discount on the purchase of WPMAT for a single domain. Next, we select the free license and download the plugin's source file. We upload it to the site in the standard way and activate it. After activating the WPMAT plugin, the first thing you need to do is synchronize your website with the Telegram bot. Those who do not yet have a Telegram bot should follow the link for detailed instructions on how to get one. Those who already have a bot should copy the bot token and paste it into the bot token field on the WPMAT settings page. Next, scroll down and click Save and Synchronize. To check that it is working, go to the bot, launch it, and press the Store button. After that, you should see the integrated website in the mini app window. Thanks to the built-in features of the WPMAT plugin, you can manage buttons in the Telegram bot and change their labels. Enable and disable profile editing, My Orders, and also add buttons with third-party links to Telegram bots, channels, and websites. The internal path for web app feature is also available to you. If you enter the URL of any page on the site in this field, the mini app will open from that page. Seamless user authorization will also be performed. In the chatbot, using the WPMAT plugin, you can easily add and replace the welcome message when logging in for the first time or re-entering the system. You can also build logical chains of additional messages sent to the user at specified intervals. Configuring responses when users enter queries in the message bar. WPMAT is constantly updated and developed with Telegram capabilities. There are 2 ways to interact with users' text messages. The first linear method requires you to check the auto-reply box for messages and write the text that will be displayed to all users when they enter any message. For example, contact the manager. Enable the second method by checking the box to enable the web interceptor. Webhook. The second method is the ability to connect various programs via webhooks. For example, responses from artificial intelligence trained on a database of goods or services. Every user who interacts with your chatbot. The WPMAT plugin saves them to its database. By going to the notifications folder, you can send messages to the entire user database completely free of charge. Just make a post and attach an image to it. The content plan and distribution by channels and groups functions are also available. Plugin WPMAT interacts with various add-ons by sending personal notifications to users. For example, our online store is built on the WooCommerce plugin. In the WooCommerce folder, select the status under which you need to send a notification to the user. The text of notifications can include various variables such as order number, purchase amount, name, date, and others. You can use ready-made notification templates. Examples are located on the right. Thank you very much for your interest in the WPMAT plugin. For those who watch this video carefully, I am offering a 20% discount on the purchase of any type of license. Together, we can achieve more. All the best.